Third important thing, reason. Why my Guru-disciple relationship became successful with Arunagiri Yogi Ishvara. I had the patience for this intense happening to go on. Even when it was overwhelming, I will decide on his side. My will was always used to be on his side. Last breath, I am going to fall. Even if I am going to fall, I will fall on his side. And I was ready to fall on his side and die, then fall on this side and live. Ultimately, that made it happen. That made it happen. This three, understanding, knowledge, he is more responsible than me. He is more integrated than me. He is more authentic than me. He is more compassionate than me. His need for me is much more than my need for him. His need for me realizing oneness is much more than my own need for realizing me, the oneness experience. Because I do not know what is oneness, only he knows. I do not know what is oneness, only he knows. So my need to realize oneness was much more important for him than me. It is not that both of us know what is romance and we romanced. I do not even know what is romance, and he taught me what is romance and we romanced. So I did not even know what is oneness, and he taught me what is oneness, and I had oneness with him. Understand? The first sacred, secret principle, why I made it, I realized his commitment towards me is zillion times more than my commitment towards him. He is all compassionate, loving and acceptance. Second important thing, Vatavarana, ambience. All the persons to whom I cribbed were always integrated and putting me back to my Guru, not distancing. Third, tremendous will persistence to go through this high, intense process. I cannot handle it anymore, it is too much, but finally I will fall this side. On his side, not on this side. The other side. That will persistence. If I fall on his side and die, that is okay. Then falling on the other side and even living. This three made Nityananda. If any of you want to become that, have this three. Is the essence of today's message.